So everyone racers, 2020 Philadelphia Car Show, we've already discussed how this is too much for me. This is not on my daily driver list because the price penalty and the geek-aws are just a little too much. But Chris said, hey, let's go look at the Sport. Honda Civic Sport 2020. It is a 1.5 liter turbo, 180-ish horsepower. Could go up when you get the Honda and all that, but it's the exact same size as the Type R. Interior space. Come on back to the trunk here. Legit size hatch.
Fat guy size fits.
Fat guy can fit in it. Yeah. We talked at SEMA about the comparo between this and the Veloster N, and this hatch is really a much more useful size. It is way wider than the Mazda 3. It is definitely a little squarer than Mazda 3, but Chrissy has more of an issue with slant than I do. And when you move into the cockpit, this is a Touring. It has the leather, it has enough horsepower, it can be tuned, it will handle like the Honda, maybe not as much as the Type R, but you can buy the springs, you can buy this engine for this. And it's in the 28 range, well optioned. If you want to go cheap, you can get them probably 23. You're not going to pay the Type R penalty where they're not going to let you drive it, and some rice boy is coming for $10,000 over a sticker. Still has the 5 or 6 speed, Chris?
6 speed.
6 speed. Still has the 6 speed. Still has the turbocharged engine, just not as much horsepower. But how much do you really need for a daily driver? This will smoke my Mazda 3. It's built better. Probably take a little penalty on the gas mileage, but maybe not. The way I whip it, who knows? The 2020 Honda Civic Sport just made the potential list for Jeff's Daily.